Hello, and welcome to another install video with Boomba Racing. Today we'll be working on the 2021 Plus Hyundai Sonata N-Line and how to install the Hyundai Kia V2 rear motor mount. Begin by removing the undertray. This will be a series of 10mm bolts, as well as a handful of pop clips. Next, remove the stock motor mount. Install the Boomba Racing motor mount. Do not torque everything down until bolts are all threaded. Now, reinstall the factory undertray. And you're done. Thanks for joining us for another install video with Boomba Racing. Like and subscribe for more like this.